Hello people of Earth, I am AG from Asian Planet. I am here to learn all of your native dishes and open a restaurant on my planet and secretly rule your planet too.
UMeAndCooking Episode 3. This March month, we are celebrating चैत्र महिना आरंभ. तर या महिन्यात आपण काय बनवणार आहोत today? We are going to make 5 मराठमोळ्या recipes. I've never done this before, but that has never stopped me. In case you're new here, my name is Czzlina. Recipe Lina. बैठे ना, हाथों से बनाए हुए डो की बात कुछ अलग ही होती है. Seal the cooker. I don't want that repeat telecast of Republic Day incident, do we? Let's move on and let be काम वाली बाई गई, काम वाली बाई गई. Now I am simply going to एकजीव the मिश्रण. In Marathi we say मिश्रण एकजीव करून घ्या. And after adding water to seal the joint, immediately sprinkle some flour on it so that your precious Puran ball doesn't go. And we have successfully finished the Puran Poli. If I would have added it at the beginning, that would have changed the color of onion. Last year I made bhakaris with jowar and that was hard enough. Now I'm using multigrain wheat. And we have successfully finished the bhakari. असे पिवळी धमक दिसली पाहिजे की नाही आपली वडी माझ्यासारखी. The wadi looks pretty dry and hot to me, so I'm going to chop it now. So they are crunchy and thankfully not burnt, and they have this beautiful texture. And we have successfully finished the 5 Marathi food series. If you love these recipes, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to You, Me, and Cooking. See you next time. Well, I made Marathi New Year special food series. Now, what should I do next? It's summertime, baby!